Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make an amazing saffron pastry cream. For the best results and aroma, use the very best red saffron you can find. Take a few strands, put them in a mortar and then grind them to a fine powder with the pestle. Then add a teaspoon of boiling water to the saffron powder. Give it a little stir and let it sit for a few minutes. To 4 yolks at room temperature, I'm adding 20 grams of cornstarch. Mix those very well and then add 60 grams of xylitol. Continue mixing until your mixture doubles in volume and lightens in color. Then set the bowl aside for now. Now add the steeped saffron to 320 ml of full-fat milk. Bring the saffron milk to a simmer and when bubbles break the surface, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot milk in a thin thread into the yolk mixture while you're whisking. After you add half of the milk like this, it's safe to pour the remaining half all at once. Then return the mixture to the pot and heat it on a low flame, mixing constantly. Make sure you mix at all times, so don't stop. At first, you're gonna notice some lumps and then it's gonna thicken, and before you know it, it's gonna turn into a glossy cream. Once it has that shine and it looks like a pudding, remove it from the heat. Strain the saffron custard directly over 40 grams of butter. Use your spatula or your whisk to push the custard through the strainer. As you mix, the cream becomes even shinier. Once the butter is fully incorporated, cover the pastry cream with plastic wrap directly on the surface to avoid the pudding skin. Let it cool down to room temperature and then refrigerate it for at least 4 hours before using. After 4 hours, peel away the plastic and mix the saffron pastry cream with a whisk. As you can see, it has the perfect consistency for piping, so use it to decorate cupcakes, cakes, or fill tarts with it. You can even enjoy it on its own, it's that delicious. And I know someone who could barely wait for me to finish piping. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Until next time, Dessertophiles!